So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to block a specific country on Zoom. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open any web browser in your computer and then search for zoom.us. Right after getting on the website, the first thing you guys will need to do is log into your account on this top right section. After that, you guys can be able to see an option called My Account. Now just select this option and it will get you on the profile page. After that, on your left guys, you can see there are a bunch of options. Now just select one of these, which is called settings. So now guys, you need to scroll down a little bit, and after that you guys can see this option right here. Now just switch on this option. So now guys, you have to choose one of these options, and let's say you want to block a specific country, then select this second option and type the country name. Let's say you want to block this country. Now just select it, and after that just choose this save button right here. And just like that guys, now you have successfully blocked that particular country on Zoom. So that's how you guys can be able to block a specific country on Zoom. So that's it for the video guys. If you find that video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.